Hello, I hope you're all doing okay. So today I'm very excited to make a sweater with you. I've been wanting to make a striped sweater for a while and I wasn't really sure where to begin from in terms of choosing colors, and I think I found the best inspiration, and it's this sweater that H.E.R wears in the Lonely at the Top remix music video. And once I saw this, I knew this is what I wanted to recreate because I have most of those colors and I think it looks so gorgeous on her, and I just wanna try to make that. So let me try to find the colors and then I'll show you what I have. Okay, so I found all the yarn that I want to use, and here it is. Some of them are not the exact color, but I think it will work. And I think the best place to begin from is the sleeves, because it's just like one of the sleeves is blue and white, the other one is green and red. So I want to begin with the sleeves. So I'll use this and this for the sleeves. The first sleeve done, and it's gorgeous. I love it. So now let me begin the second sleeve. I've finished the second sleeve and this is what it looks like. So now I want to begin working on the body. I've written down how I would like to distribute my colors. And now let me begin working on the body. So I've finished one of the panels and this is what it looks like. I think it looks so good. The colors look amazing. So I have to do like 5 more of this. So let me do that and then I'll get back to show you how I'll be joining the pieces. But here is one, so 5 more to go. It's the next day and I'm done making all of the pieces. So I have them here with me. 6 for the front panel, 3 for the front panel and 3 for the back panel. And also I was able to join 2 pieces together yesterday evening. So today I just want to join all of the pieces together and finish everything. I'm so excited to see the final product, so let me get to that right now so that we can finish this sweater today. So it's been a couple of days. The last time I was talking about joining all of the pieces and completing the sweater. So as you can see, the sweater is complete, but I have a few changes. The one you saw, I had a different color here. I think it was like a peach color. And after joining all of the pieces, it was bulging here a lot, and I didn't really like that. So I decided to try and use yellow color that you're seeing. And I think this looks way better, and the sleeve sits well. It doesn't really bulge like the other one. And I know it doesn't really look exactly like the photo I showed you in the beginning of the video, but that was a huge inspiration for me. Plus I had most of those colors. That's why I decided to use that. And I think this still looks good. It fits so well. And I did front post and back post ribbing here on the sleeves. And at the bottom I did like 2 rows of single crochet, and here 1 row of single crochet. And I love how this fits. I'm just happy with the end product. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.